Who's a Rockstar buyer's agent?
I am.
You are. He is. This is my husband, Justin Woodbeck.
Yep.
And when we first started our company, you were exclusive to the buy side.
Yep.
I did all the listings, you did all the buy sides. That year, you did 53 contracts yourself on the buy side for $11.5 million.
Yeah.
It was incredible.
Yeah, I was cranking.
And that's when you started educating other buyer's agents. How do you do this? Because there's people who truly prefer, I want to be exclusively a buyer's agent, right?
Well, and throw in there that I usually would work no more than 5 days a week and very rarely work after 6, 7 o'clock at night.
But let's not lie. Because when we first started out,
There's a grinding out period.
oh
You
yeah,
got to
it
grind
was
it out.
7 days a week. Your time was not your own. And that's what was the catalyst to you really honing in on how do you be a Rockstar buyer's agent, have all of these clients, and close out on deals every single week. And you created a system around it.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's that look like?
I mean, you have to start, base one is just simply knowing your contracts, competency in your contracts, specifically a buyer agency contract, what you're going to have them sign to work exclusively with you because you only work exclusively.
Yeah.
And then your purchase agreement. You need to be able to relay both of them back to your buyer client in layman's terms so they understand it and are comfortable with it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. The reason why it's so important to be really comfortable yourself is so you have that confidence when you're talking about it.
Yeah, really important. I mean, and the contracts are the backbone to everything you're doing because once you have a contract in place, you have to abide by it. And if you don't know it, you don't understand, you just locked your client into a potential financial nightmare.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it's a big deal. Okay, and then secondly,
So second would definitely be utilizing your systems and tools that you have at your disposal. You know, as part of the board, all realtors have access to RealComp or some similar MLS.
Yeah.
And it's important to make sure that they're utilizing it to its highest level. I like actually still setting my buyer clients up on an automated search because I can't prevent them from going out there looking anyway.
Right.
So if they're not seeing it coming from me, they're assuming that I'm not doing my job. Now, it's very important in that to make sure that you're always at least one step ahead of your client. And how you do that is just simply know your inventory. You have to be out there, you have to understand the market that your buyer is looking in and know what is coming and going on the market.
and I know you have multiple tips and tricks that you teach the Woodbeck team agents. However, what's the easiest number one way to stay ahead of your client and know the inventory?
Just get out there, you know, start previewing properties. If you don't have a lot of buyer clients and you're done with your lead generation, get into homes so you can advise them in a competent manner.
Yes, and I remember back in the day, you and I, we would actually go through and role play.
Yeah.
So when you're doing this, don't just blindly walk through a property, role play how you would tour it.
Grab a coworker, you know,
Yeah.
just practice. Literally going into a home and practicing reading a full printout of an MLS listing so you know where everything, all the data is at. So if they ask you, how many square feet is this home? What year was it built? You're not saying, hold on, let me see.
Yes.
Being confident and competent in what you do is all that's truly going to matter in the end.
Yep, absolutely. And then lastly, the difference between, and I know you're big on this, being a real estate consultant versus being a door opener.
Yeah, we are not door openers. We're not here to just simply turn keys. You know, we are consulting them through this process, and it begins right at the inception of the relationship by creating proper expectations and really just having an in-depth need analysis with that buyer client so you understand to great detail exactly what it is they're looking for, and you can guide them through that process and advise them as they move down that path.
Yeah, makes sense. Awesome. So I know later in the month you're actually doing a class on how to be a Rockstar buyer's agent.
Yep.
Always well attended. So
Yeah.
check out that video because that's going to be coming up, and hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for joining me. This has been amazing.
It's been a long time. I haven't seen you in a while, so I'm really happy to be here.
Okay, I'm gonna say, you'll always be. I couldn't say with a straight face. I'm gonna say, I don't know what to say.
I just want to thank you for having me here because I really enjoy taking every moment that I can to spend with you and honestly educating everybody on this topic. I love you. I love you.
I love you. I love you.